Yo, not your average Joe. Today, we're going to try something a little bit different. We pulled out the insides of a tape measure and we're going to try and turn a nice new housing for it on the lathe. Let's go. So that second piece didn't go to plan. We've cut it out. That'll give us a bit more space. We're going from the same direction where we can adjust the tool rest into the right orientation, see if we can get a matching piece. So this is a lot harder than we expected. We're going to part off this first piece, sand it up, part it off, and then we'll have another crack.